everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate source for transforming your outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a project that combines beauty, practicality, and incredible flavor. The raised bed herb garden. If you've ever wanted fresh basil, mint, or rosemary right outside your door, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics to the best decorating tips. So let's get growing. A raised bed herb garden is essentially a freestanding container or enclosure placed above the existing native soil, which is then filled with fresh, high-quality soil perfect for growing herbs. Unlike traditional in-ground planting, the boundaries of the bed are defined by materials like wood, stone, or metal, raising the planting area anywhere from a few inches to a few feet off the ground. This method gives you complete control over the soil quality, drainage, and the overall aesthetic of your garden. It separates your prized herbs from invasive grass and weeds, while providing a clear, ergonomic space that's a pleasure to work in. It's truly the perfect marriage of gardening functionality and exterior design. The benefits of utilizing a raised bed for your herbs are numerous, making it a superior choice for many gardeners. Firstly, a raised bed offers superior soil quality and drainage. You get to choose the perfect, nutrient-rich soil mix, avoiding poor or compacted native soil, and the raised structure naturally improves drainage, which is crucial for herbs that hate wet feet like rosemary and thyme. Secondly, it provides easier access and reduced strain. The elevated height means less bending and kneeling, making gardening more comfortable, especially for those with mobility issues. Thirdly, they provide better weed and pest control. The defined walls create a barrier against creeping weeds and common garden pests. Finally, raised beds warm up faster in the spring, allowing you to start planting earlier and potentially extend your growing season. This leads to a longer, more bountiful harvest right outside your kitchen door. Decorating your raised bed herb garden turns a practical structure into a stunning garden feature. Start with the structure itself. Choose materials that complement your home's exterior, such as rustic cedar for a farmhouse look or sleek corrugated metal for a modern vibe. Varying the height and size of multiple beds adds dynamic visual interest. Next, focus on the placement and pathway. Using gravel, paving stones, or mulch around the beds not only keeps things tidy but frames the garden, creating a welcoming and intentional space. Within the bed, practice companion planting to combine herbs of varying textures and colors, like the silvery green of lavender next to the deep green of basil, adding visual depth. Don't forget decorative elements like charming plant markers, a small trellis for climbing herbs like beans or cucumbers, if you sneak in a few veggies, or even a small statue or bird feeder nearby to enhance the overall atmosphere. A beautifully decorated raised bed becomes a functional work of art. Choosing the right material for your raised bed is essential for both longevity and style. Wood is the most popular choice, with cedar and redwood being top contenders due to their natural resistance to rot and insects. While pressure-treated wood is durable, make sure you select a product approved for gardening to avoid leaching harmful chemicals. Stone or concrete blocks offer a durable, permanent, and classic look that fits well with formal gardens, but they can be costly and labor-intensive to install. Metal, specifically corrugated steel, provides a modern industrial aesthetic, heats up quickly in the sun, and is very long-lasting. Another excellent option, especially for smaller, decorative beds, is composite lumber. It's highly durable, requires zero maintenance, and often mimics the look of real wood without the worry of rotting. The best material ultimately depends on your budget, desired aesthetic, and how long you want the structure to last. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best raised bed herb garden ideas to spark your creativity. One elevated two-tier herb and vegetable planter. This tiered, elevated wooden planter with dark contrasting legs offers a sleek, modern look perfect for a patio or small garden. The two levels allow for excellent organization, keeping taller vegetables or small pepper plants above shorter herbs like basil and rosemary, creating a visually stunning and ergonomic growing station. 2 classic suburban backyard raised beds. Featuring simple, long wooden beds placed directly on a gravel path next to a patio. This design is highly practical for growing a significant amount of produce and herbs. The use of gravel ensures excellent drainage and a clean division from the lawn, blending function with a cozy backyard aesthetic. 3-tiered corner herb garden. This multi-level, stepped wooden design is a smart solution for maximizing growing space in a compact or awkward corner next to a fence or wall. The different heights add architectural interest and allow for the planting of diverse herbs and flowers with varying sunlight needs across the tiers. 4. Symmetrical gravel path herb garden layout. A beautiful example of formal symmetry, this garden uses large wooden raised beds to frame a central pathway of stepping stones and gravel. The overhead wire arch provides a perfect structure for vertical growth or decorative elements like hanging feeders, creating a tranquil, well-organized garden room. 5. Exuberant flowering herb and perennial border. While not exclusively a raised bed, this image showcases a stunning, densely planted area where herbs and flowers mix freely, highlighted by a splash of color from a central planter and a light green picket fence. This style is perfect for those who want their herb garden to burst with color and life. 6. Circular log-style flower and herb mound. This unique, rustic design uses vertical wooden blocks to create a striking circular enclosure. The dense, central planting of flowers and herbs, including striking purple alliums, makes a bold, sculptural statement in an open garden space, acting as a beautiful focal point. 7. Sleek, modern, elevated herb troughs. Featuring waist-high, polished wooden troughs on a deck, this is an excellent choice for easy-access gardening. The design is clean and contemporary, showcasing neatly organized herbs like lavender, mint, and parsley, making harvesting easy and bringing the garden closer to the outdoor living area. 8. Stacked brick herb spiral. This clever, space-saving design uses stacked bricks to create a spiral that rises in height. This structure is highly functional for herbs, as it naturally creates microclimates, drier conditions for sun-loving herbs at the top and moisture-loving herbs like mint at the bottom, all within a charming footprint. 9. Simple rectangular herb and vegetable beds on grass. These shallow, natural wood raised beds are ideal for a lighter touch in a lawn area. The simple rectangular shape and use of vertical support stakes for climbing plants maximize growing potential, creating an inviting mix of herbs, leafy greens, and vegetables right on the edge of the lawn. 10. The angled raised planter. This is a specific type of elevated planter known for its V-shaped design, which allows for deep-rooting vegetables in the center and shallower herbs along the edges. Set on sturdy legs, this bed is a perfect, ergonomic solution for small spaces like patios or balconies. You see, a raised bed herb garden is so much more than just a place to grow your ingredients. It's a dedicated design feature that enhances your entire outdoor living area. By choosing the right materials, decorating with care, and understanding the benefits, you can create a beautiful, productive, and easy-to-manage garden space. If this video has inspired you to start building your own herb haven, hit that like button and tell me in the comments below, what's the first herb you're going to plant in your raised bed? Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips on transforming your garden into a dream space. We'll see you in the next video. Happy planting!